In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your air filter as well as clean your MAF sensor. Our first step is to disconnect the negative terminal cable. Now, disconnect our metal clippers that is attached to our filter housing. Remove the old dirty filter. Get the new air filter, remove it, and inspect it comparing to the old one to ensure it is the same shape and size. Check inside the air filter housing to ensure there is no contaminants. Double check and ensure the air filter is placed correctly so the holes are able to be accessed by the pegs on the upper housing clippings. Now that the filter has been changed, it is now time to clean up the mass airflow sensor. Loosen up the metal clamping which shows access to the mass airflow sensor. Disconnect the connector, and to remove the mass airflow sensor, you have to twist it until it pulls out. It's hard to tell, however, there are small dark particles on the sensor itself. Using the mass airflow sensor cleaner, apply it to the sensor, making sure you hit it in all different angles. Once done cleaning the sensor, let it air dry to ensure the sensor is completely dried out. Once the sensor is completely dried out, redo the steps and double check the air housings to ensure there are no leaks.